Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson sa atong Mathematics 7. And as for this time, before we'll start sa atong discussion, we'll pray first. We thank you, dear God, for this another time nga makastudy mi another lesson sa among subject. Pray mi Ginoo for wisdom nga unta masabtan sa tanan kini nga lesson in simplest way. Ampo ko Ginoo nga ikaw magauban namo as we go through this discussion. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So, we'll start immediately, and as for this week, we are going to study about adding and subtracting polynomials. And still, this lesson is apil na siya sa lesson 3.2, which is about polynomials. So, the operation on the polynomials, ato ni siyang gitunga into adding and subtracting polynomials, and we have the multiplication, ato ang ilahi, then ang division of polynomials. And before sa multiplication and division of polynomials, we'll have first also sa loss of exponent. Before that, kaya ato man to siya nga gamiton. So as for this moment, so ang ato sa nga hisgutan is about adding and subtracting polynomials. So in adding and subtracting polynomials, we have a general rule, and that is only similar terms can be combined. But the question is, unsa man ang mga gitawag nato nga mga similar terms? Now, similar terms are terms in polynomials that differ only in their numerical coefficient. From the previous discussion we had, natay duha ka klase sa coefficient. We have the numerical coefficient, which is the number factor, and the literal coefficient, which is the variable nga factor. So if I have here 2x, so the 2 there is the numerical coefficient, and the variable x there is the literal coefficient. So kung mayo kay similar terms, pwede nga maglahi ang ilaha nga numerical coefficient, but ang ilaha nga literal coefficient should be the in exact form, meaning the same variable content and the same nga mga exponent for each variable. Let's take for example this table para nga mas masabtan nato unsaon pag-identify sa mga similar terms o dili similar nga mga terms. First, we have 2x and 2x. Obviously, kana silang duha ka terms, similar terms. So, pareha gid sila exactly. So, ang basta gani similar terms sila, you can combine them by adding and by subtracting. Unang sum and difference. 2x plus 2x, kung imong i-add si 2x o si 2x, that is equal to 4x. So how? Just add the numerical coefficient, si 2 plus 2, and just copy sa ilaha nga pareha nga variable. Okay? So, just add and copy. So, add the numerical coefficient, then copy the literal coefficient. Do not alter any nga form sa imong literal coefficient. Walay i-add nga exponent, there is no such thing. Imuha lang yung kopyahon kung unsa ang literal nga exponent, pareha nilang duha. Then, kung imo silang i-minus, 2x minus 2x, so 2 minus 2 is 0. So therefore, 0 na ang answer diha. Okay, dili na imo butag x because 0x is still equal to 0. Because any number nga multiply to 0 will be equal to 0. So the answer is just 0. So that is what we mean by similar terms can be combined. So pwede nimo siyang i-add, pwede nimo siyang i-subtract to make it simplified. Okay? Then 3x and 7x, still they are similar terms because at according pa sa tong definition kaganiha, similar terms pwedeng magdiferensya sa number. So 3 o 7 lahi na siya, but that's okay since they have the same nga literal coefficient which is x. So, x and x. So, similar terms. So, 3x plus 7x. So, 3 plus 7, 10. Copy x. Kung i-minus, 3x minus 7. So, we'll use na sa ato ang operation of integers, if you still remember. So, 3 minus 7 equals negative 4. Dayon copy x. That's why it is negative 4x. However, if we encounter like this, negative x and 4y, dili na sila similar terms because they differ in literal coefficients. So, x and y. So, what we do here is, ang mga similar terms, dili na sila makombine. So, kung i-add na to si x, o negative x o si 4y, is still negative x plus 4y. You cannot combine them. Dili na siya pwede nga mahimo nga positive 3xy. No, dili na siya pwede. Just negative x plus 4y. Walay combination nilang duha. Dili nato sila makombine kay they are not similar terms. Okay? And if we subtract them, it is still negative x minus 4y as is. Okay? I hope you get that part. So, x squared and 5x, still not similar terms because ang usa, it's x, but naa siya exponent nga 2. Ang usa is walay exponent nga 2. So, not similar terms na sila. So, when we add them, that is x squared plus 5x until there only. So, again, dili na ito makombine ang dissimilar terms. So, munang maura na forma niya. We leave it at that. X squared minus 5x is their difference. Last, negative xy squared and negative xy squared. So, ang ato ra gyud tanawon ha, literal coefficients pareha basag. Daan na lang na siyang numerical kay they could differ at any instance. So, pareho man xy squared, therefore they are similar terms. So, when we add them, negative 8xy squared plus negative xy squared, notice, nag-add ko, niya kay negative man ay kaduha nga term, I separated our operation nga plus sa atong negative nga sign by a parenthesis. Okay? It is the right way of writing kung magsunod ang duha ka sign or operator. So, go back. Rule of adding integers. Negative 8, the same sign. Negative 8 plus negative. Again, akong giingon, pag wa kay makitang number, that is automatic 1. So, negative 8 plus negative 1, it's negative 9. Then, copy ang ilang common nga literal coefficient, which is xy squared. So, negative 8xy squared minus negative xy squared. So, negative 8 minus negative 1. So, mahimo maning plus. This will become positive. So, different sign na. So, negative 8 minus 1. So, mahimo na sa, plus 1, it's negative 7. Copy xy squared. So, that's how you combine terms if they are similar. So, you can combine only by adding and subtracting similar terms. Though naa sila sum of difference, but dili nimo sila makombine into one term only. Okay? So, let's take for examples the following polynomials to simplify by adding and subtracting polynomials. First, if you're asked to simplify 5x minus 3x plus 7x plus 9x. So, if you are going to look at all these terms, silang tanan, pariho, o literal coefficient na ipares nga x. Therefore, all of the terms in these polynomials are similar. So, what you're going to do, of course, when you are showing the solution, you copy para nga mas ma-reinforce ninyo, makita ninyo ang inyong given. Tapos, just add or subtract them as operation nga i-present. So, start from left to right. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So, write 18 and then copy the common nga literal coefficient which is x. So, that is your answer. 18x. That's simple. Next, simplify negative 2x plus y plus 7x plus 9y minus 3. So in this case, we have three different terms. Natay ang iyang coefficient is y, x, kani y, and we have a constant, meaning walay pares. So in polynomials class, if you are given with variables, nga tag-isa-isa lang single nga mga variable, no? So you arrange them by alphabetical order. Tapos imong ipalast og suwat ang constant, meaning sa constant kanang walay pares. Now what you're going to do first is copy the given, then regroup. When we regroup, ang atong himuon is taparo nato ang tanang pariha nga terms, similar terms. Si negative 2x o si 7x are similar terms. So what you're going to do, negative 2x, dalon mo ang sign nga nag-una sa term. So plus 7x man na, so plus 7x. Sunod, plus y, then si y plus 9y. Again ha, dalon ang operation before the term. Then, minus 3. Last ang constant. Then, combine. Negative 2 plus 5. Minuson kay different sign man. Adding different sign. So, 5 niya copy x. This is 1. Diba? I'm sorry. We have 1 plus 9. That is 10. Copy y. Then, wala naman tayo combine sa constant. Then, minus 3. Since all of these three are not similar terms anymore, then that is your final answer. Okay, next. How about if our polynomial has parentheses? So, simplify 5x squared minus 11s plus 7s plus negative 3x squared minus 1 plus 4. So, first, copy. Second to do is, we are going to tangtang the parentheses. Okay? Kuhaon nato ning tanang parentheses. But, dili pwede nga kuhaon nimo diretso ang parentheses, nga i-reason na gyud nimo. What you're going to do is, you have to consider unsay operation before the parentheses. And then, imuha na siyang gamitan og distributive property. Meaning, inigtangtang nimo sa parentheses, take a look at with this. So, kani negative, unya, this one is positive, ang una sa 11. So, this will become like this. So, 5x squared, copy, minus, this is positive, kung wala kay makitaan nga, sign diha. So, minus og positive, that is minus lang yung isuwat. And then, sunod, minus positive, basta gani minus o positive, so minus ang imuhang isuwat diri as sa 7x. And nawala na ang parentheses. Okay, you get that? Then, next, we have another parenthesis. But before the parenthesis natay plus, we'll use distributive property. So, we have plus o minus is minus, then copy 3x. Wala ng parenthesis. Plus, minus, so mahimo na siyang minus 1, wala ng parentheses. Copy plus 4. So, unsa atong basis? Ana, kung maghimo tayo yun, ana. We'll remember the rule in multiplying signs. Diba? Pag mag-multiply ka different signs, ang ato ang result is positive o negative. Pero kung same sign gani, ang ato ang result is positive. So, mao ni siya nga inigtangtang sa parentheses, you have to consider the operation before the parentheses. Next is we'll regroup. We'll regroup bot pasabot ato nga suwat side by side ang mga similar terms. So, meaning si 5x squared o si 3x squared are similar terms. Now, in this case, nakanita exponent class, nakanita exponent, bot pasabot, atong unahon tong pinakadakog exponent. So, 5x squared, butang nato din ha, dalon ang sign ha, minus 3x squared, then, minus 11x, minus 7x, minus 1, plus 4. Okay, you get that now? Then, combine ang similar terms. So, 5 minus 3 is 2, copy x squared. Negative 11 minus 7 is negative 18, copy x. Negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3. Then, kani silang tulo are not similar terms anymore. Therefore, that is now your final answer. Okay. So, last one. How about simplify a squared minus 2ab plus b squared minus a squared minus 3ab minus b squared. So, let's try. Copy first. Ato lang i-copy, no? Then, tangtango na to ang parentheses after. Notice, kaning sa first nga group, giparentheses siya, pero walay nag-una nga sign sa iyaha. So, you could simply strip off the parentheses sa ilaha. Walay mausog nga sign up to here. However, on this part, natay minus before the parentheses. So, ato ni siyang apply ang distributive property, pariha ganina. So, minus positive a squared, dayon minus negative, so same sign man sila, mahimo ng plus 3ab. Minus negative, mahimo ng plus b squared. Then we regroup. Put pasabot, tapad-taparo nato ang mga similar nga terms. So a squared, tapos minus a squared. Okay? Minus 2ab, tsaka ni po plus 3ab. Plus b squared, plus b squared. Take note and a reminder as well. In between terms, there should be an operator. Dili siya na mahitabo class nga walay minus or plus in between terms. Okay? And then, combine. A squared minus a squared is 0. Okay? 1 minus 1 is 0. Then, negative 2 plus 3ab is positive 1. Do not write 1 anymore kung na siya'y pares nga letter. So, just ab. And then, b squared plus b squared equals, di ba naman tayo 1 di rin siya? 1 po diha. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then, copy b squared. And that is your final answer. So, that's it. How you are going to add and subtracting polynomials. I hope that you learn from this video discussion. If ever you have difficulty in understanding and getting the lesson at one go, you are free to review or to watch again the video or even ask me sa ato nga group chat or PM me or pwede po nga mo text mo na ako through sa akong contact number. So that would be all for this time. Thank you everyone and bye class.